Okay, hello everyone. So for this vlog, I am going to have a very short tutorial kung paano i-assemble tong usong-usong copper mask right now. So ano nga bang meron tong mask na to? Bakit binibili siya? Even ng mga artists. Okay, so malalaman natin, and I'm also going to teach you how to assemble this mask. So come on, and let's try this one.
Okay, so una muna, let's unbox this. Let's open the box. Okay, ito yung isang set ng copper mask. Makikita nyo dito na ito yung inclusion ng mga gagamitin natin to assemble the copper mask or the copper mask. Okay? Buksan natin para makita natin yung laman. Una muna, makikita nyo yung sticker. Yan. So, sa sticker na yan, makikita nyo dyan yung 2 pieces seal sticker na may kasama rin na 8 pieces colored copper mask logo sticker. Okay? Next, meron din siyang kasama na 10 pieces non-woven fabric filters. Next. Ayan, meron din po siya na copper mask antimicrobial film 2.0. Yan po yung magiging base natin in this mask. And we also have the 2 pieces elastic string. Okay, yan. Sige, start natin. First, fold the copper mask in half. Make sure that it is aligned. Siguraduhin po na pantay kapag tiniklop yung copper mask. Place the 2 seal stickers at the top and bottom part of the mask. So, lalagay po natin yung dalawang seal sticker doon sa taas. Yan. Okay, magkahiwalay po yan kanina. Lalagay natin yan dyan. And at the same time po, kunin pa po natin yung isang seal sticker. Lagay natin sa taas na part ng mask. Okay, yan po yung taas na part ng mask. Okay, tingnan nyo yung paligid niya. Pag inopen nyo siya ngayon, nakalock na. Okay, next lagay natin yung piece of non-woven fabric filter inside the copper mask, antimicrobial film. Yan. Next, finally, lagay natin yung elastic string on both sides. Pwede nyo adjust, depends on your preference. Okay. you now have your CopperMask face mask. Pwede nyo rin na lagyan siya ng design kung saan nyo gustong ilagay sa mask. At pwede rin kayong mamili ng color. Yan.
Okay, so if you have learned something from this vlog, please click subscribe, like this video, and share to others para malaman nila on how to assemble this mask. So thank you very much. God bless and goodbye!